Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install GoLang for Windows. First open your browser, type in GoLang space download, click on the first link. You will be directed to the official Go website. Scroll down till you find stable versions. Download the latest stable version which is 1.14.1 right now. Click on the .msi file according to your operating system. Once the download is completed, just run the .msi file and the setup process will start. It is pretty straightforward. You just have to click on next and finish. So I've already installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. After the installation is completed, you have to create a folder where you will keep all your Go files. I'm going to do that in D drive, naming the folder Go. Inside that folder you have to create 3 folders, namely src, pkg and bin. The bin would contain all the binaries, pkg would contain packages and src would contain all the source files. Once you do this, you have to give this path, you have to set this path in your environment variables, and to do that you have to go to start and find environment variables. You can see the edit the system environment variables option. Inside that, in advanced, you'll see environment variables. Click on it and just give the new path. Click on new. Variable name should be go path, all in caps, and the variable value would be the folder that you have created, the path to the folder which you have created, that is d/go in my case. So I'll just click on OK and OK, final OK. And once all this is done, to check if everything works, you can open your command prompt, type in go space version, and if this code runs, which means Go has been installed properly, as you can see it shows 1.14.1. and to check your environment variables have been set, you can type go space env, press enter, and you can see your environment variables inside here. You can see the go root, which is c/go, which is by default, and you can see my go path, which is d/go, which I have set. This will be all for this video. Thank you for watching.